Hello students, this is Radheshyam Yadav. Today I am going to solve two questions on quadratic equation by using the middle term, splitting the middle terms. Now the question number 6 is 2x minus 3 whole square equals to 25. So in this we will use the formula that is a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This formula we will use. Now with this becomes 4x square minus 3 2 is 6 into 2. 3 2 is 6 into 2, that means 12x minus, so this is minus, this will become plus 9. B square means 3 3 is 9 equals to 25. Or this can be written as 4x square minus 12x equals to 25 minus 9. 4x square minus 12x minus 16 equals to 0. Now it has come to the form of quadratic equation. So we can write it as 4x square minus 12x no sorry, this can be 4x square and 16 into 4 means multiplying 16 and 4, that is a into c is 48, 64. 16 into 4 is 64, and once you a into c equals to minus 16 into 4, that is minus 64. Now factors of this 64 is 16 4 is 64 means minus 16 into plus 4. So I will write here minus 16x plus 4x minus 16 equals to 0. Now here it is 4x square minus 16 means I will take common 4x. So I will get x minus 4. Here I will take common 4. So I will get x minus 4 equals to 0. So now this becomes 4x plus 4, x minus 4 equals to 0. Now these are two linear factors, that is 4x plus 4 and x minus 4. So I can write either 4x plus 4 equals to 0 or 4x equals to minus 4. Therefore x equals to minus 4 by 4, that is minus 1. Or x minus 4 equals to 0, therefore x equals to 4. So our answer is minus 1 and 4. These are the roots. Now I will solve the second question, that is 2x4 minus 5x square plus 3 equals to 0. 2x4 minus 5x square plus 3 equals to 0. Now this power is 4 and we have to bring it in the form of quadratic equation. So this is has to be reduced. So I will write, let, for solving this type of questions, let x square be equals to y. Now I will replace x with y. So here I will get 2y square minus 5y plus 3 equals to 0. Now 2 and 3, a into c. A into c becomes 3 into 2, that is 2 into 3, 6. Now factors of 6 are 3 into 2. So I will write, now here it is minus 5y. So minus 3 minus 2. So I will get 2y square minus 3y minus 2y plus 3 equals to 0. Or now here the now I will write like this, minus 2y minus 3y, so that it will be easy to take common. So 2y square minus 2y. So common is 2y, y minus 1 minus 3 and plus. So it is minus 3. We will get y minus 1 equals to 0. Or 2y minus 3 and y minus 1 equals to 0. Either 2y minus 3 equals to 0 or 2y equals to 3. Therefore, y equals to 3 by 2, or y minus 1 equals to 0 or y equals to 1. So now, since this is equals to x square, so values we will have to bring into the form of x square. So x square becomes 3 by 2. And the value of x will be plus minus root 3 by 2, and when we take y equals to 1, then x square will become 1, or x equals to plus minus 1. So these are the two values of the x. Means the roots of the is x square. Please subscribe to my channel, like it and share it. Thank you.